This is going to be our second RC video. We're going to be doing the Traxxas of some sorts. See? Controller. Pretty nice. I like it. Okay, let's get to it. Well, it looks like it's starting to rain, but... yeah, I'm not going to be able to control this. Well, yeah, I don't know if I can... Whoa! Okay, this is not going to be awesome. Oh, Jesus! Oh! Okay, this is not a good idea. Okay, let's... Oh, God, it's in a ditch. And it's raining. Oh, good God. Not a good idea. Okay, we'll be back. Yeah, we might have to stop the video here. It's starting to get really, really rainy. The screen's all wet. Did you get it? There's gonna be a part 2 to this video. Whoa! Oh, bad idea, bad idea. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, this is impossible. No! Okay, this is not gonna work. Yep, there's gonna be a part 2 to this video. See you guys next time.